YouTube transformed my life in just 4 months. Look at this. This was me a couple of years ago, and this is me today, all thanks to creating content here on YouTube. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how YouTube transformed my life in so short a time and how it's going to help you too. So if you're a beginner, watch this video from beginning to the end, because at the end of the video, I'm going to give you 4 powerful secrets that will help you grow your channel really fast. These are things I wish someone told me when I started, would have helped me grow really fast. I'm giving it to you free. So it all started in 2021. I had a paid job and my salary back then was 120,000 naira. It was supposed to be a good job because I was working from home, but it wasn't my kind of job. It was mentally draining. So after a hectic day at work, I needed something to relax my mind. So I decided to watch a video here on YouTube. So when I opened YouTube, I saw a video from a housewife, and she said in that video that she makes a minimum of $1,000 from YouTube. And as at that time, $1,000 was around 600,000 naira from a housewife who works from the comfort of her bedroom with just her smartphone. So after watching that video that day, I went on to research everything about creating a channel, and I created my channel that very day, and I never looked back. Moving on, I started learning everything about YouTube, how to create videos, how to edit videos, how to design thumbnail, and a lot. And it wasn't really easy that time because I had a full-time job. I was juggling my job and this. But then I was determined never to give up. My first YouTube video, it was a disaster. I recorded that video over 20 times, trying to find a perfect one. I would record it and listen to myself. I had issues with my voice, the way I talked in the video. Everything wasn't coming together. I never liked it, so I would record and delete until it got to a point I was like, I just have to pick one. So I eventually managed to pick one. After a whole day of recording and criticizing myself, I picked one and I published that first video. Until now, every time I watch that video, I still cringe because I just couldn't believe myself in that video. So it was imperfect, but guess what? That imperfect first video was the best decision I made, because from that moment, I kept getting better. I kept refining my skills, and today, here we are. And I am grateful for that, because if I hadn't uploaded that video, I don't know where I would have been today. My niche and my early days. So my niche initially was about making money online. I was looking for a topic I could talk about consistently for a long time. So I settled for make money online niche. And my early days, I wasn't getting a lot of views on my videos. My videos were getting 100 views, 50 views, 200 views, 300 views for a long time until I made this video here. So this was actually the first video that got over 50,000 views on my channel. I was still in the make money online. At some point, I experienced burnout. Yes, I burned out at some point, but I did not completely give up. I continued creating content. By the way, shout out to these channels. These were channels I consistently watched to learn everything about YouTube, creating content, editing your videos, thumbnails, and all of that. Especially Annie. Annie's content were very helpful. Thank you so much, Annie. So 4 months down the line, my channel got monetized, and it was an amazing experience. But there wasn't a lot of money. It used to take me 2 months back in the days to earn up to $100. In case you didn't know, before you get paid on YouTube, you have to earn a minimum of $100. So back in the days, I wasn't getting a lot of views, and my revenue was so low that sometimes I earned $80, $90. So I needed to carry over to the next month before I could get paid. Now, if you are a small channel, you are newly monetized, you understand what I'm saying. I experienced that too. Just wait to the end of this video for these powerful ideas that will help you grow your YouTube channel really fast. So what changed? While making videos here on YouTube, I was also creating content and sharing my experience, my YouTube journey, with a couple of people on Facebook. So I had a community of women. I was sharing my journey with them, inspiring them, telling them the story of my YouTube. And that got a good number of them motivated. So a lot of them started their YouTube because of me. So I will share my story with them, my ups and downs, my struggles, and my success. And guess what? A good number of these people that started YouTube because of my story from Facebook are monetized right now. While I was motivating them, I realized that I was growing my YouTube channel and I was already teaching about YouTube there on Facebook. So as my channel got monetized and I had already helped a lot of women jump on this and even help them to grow their YouTube channel too, I started teaching about YouTube, and from there I transitioned from make money online into YouTube growth, and it's been an amazing journey. Now let's talk about the opportunities and transformation this content creation has brought to my life. The first one is I've been on countless television stations teaching people what I know. I've been on AIT, I've been on NTA, I've been on Silverbird Television, and a whole lot of other ones, including radio stations and other speaking gigs, other speaking opportunities, just because I showed up here on YouTube. I've also connected with a lot of people. I've worked with clients from over 4 continents. I currently work with a good number of them till this moment. And that joy of helping someone start something and then you watch them grow and monetize, get to a stage they are making money consistently from that knowledge. It is timeless. And that's one of the things I am grateful for being on YouTube. So another area of my life that I've been greatly touched as a content creator is the skills I've acquired over the years. So YouTube has helped me learn a lot of digital skills, both the soft skills and hard skills. Content creation, video recording, video editing, designs, researching, networking, a whole lot of them. I wouldn't have gotten to that stage if not for YouTube. Now, let's not forget that YouTube is the reason why I connected with you. Yes, you watching this video right now. I am grateful for the gift of you. We are here because YouTube brought us together, and thank you for all the love and support you've given to me all the years. As a creator here on YouTube, there are different ways you can make money from your content. The first one is monetization, which is the money YouTube pays you once your channel is monetized. We have affiliate marketing. We have sales of digital product, which is merchandise, selling your product and services. We have memberships and a whole lot of them. All these are made possible simply because you show up here on YouTube. Now, the lessons. Here are 4 lessons I've learned over the years. If I were to start a YouTube channel all over again, these are things I would do. So the first one is to start messy. Yes, don't procrastinate. Don't wait until you're perfect, because you would never be perfect. It is in the process of doing that you perfect it. Every big creator you admire out there started imperfect, started messy. Then the more you create, the better you get. So stop holding back. Stop waiting until you get perfect. Stop giving excuses. The earlier you start, the better. Second one, pick the right audience. Times have changed. If you're going to succeed on YouTube, make sure you are talking to a set of people that have pressing need, people that have problem, and you're providing solution to that problem. When you find a niche, a set of people that have a pressing need, they want solution to that problem, and you begin to talk about that problem. Getting views and subscribers is super easy. Getting YouTube algorithm to recommend your video is super easy. Don't just talk about random things. Third lesson is to invest in knowledge and skills. It's getting more competitive, so you need to learn, you need to have the skills, you need to have the knowledge, and one way to get the right one is to invest. Yes, get a coach, buy a course, whatever you need. Just come here prepared, because it's getting tougher here. So if I were to start all over again, I am going to invest heavily in the knowledge and skills required to grow a YouTube channel. And finally, packaging. Presentation is everything. A lot of small creators don't pay attention to it. How you present your information, the way you look, and the message you give to us, we all judge these things. So if you can, pay attention to your background, pay attention to your appearance, pay attention to the way you deliver the message. These are the things that will make your audience glued to your content. And when they like what they see, they subscribe to your channel. If you implement all this, you're going to grow your channel really fast. Let me know in the comment section, how old is your YouTube channel? How many subscribers do you have?